India is part of the continent of Asia. Most of India forms a peninsula, which means it is surrounded by water on three sides. The world's highest mountain range, the Himalaya, rises in the north. The southeast is bordered by the Bay of Bengal, and the southwest is bordered by the Arabian Sea. India's terrain varies widely, from the Thar Desert in the west to jungles in the northeast. A fertile area called the Ganges Plain covers much of northern India. This formation was created from soil that was deposited by rivers running from the Himalaya. In some places, this layer of silt is covered 25,000 feet deep. Society throughout India is divided into social rank called castes. India is a very spiritual country. More than 80% of Indians are Hindu, about 13% are Muslims. Other religions include Buddhism, Sikhism, and Jainism, which all began in India. For thousands of years since the Hindu religion first evolved, respect for animal life has been an important part of Indians' belief. Cows in particular are sacred and cannot be harmed. They are even allowed to wander through city streets, which often causes traffic jams. India's varied climate zones support about 65,000 animal species, including elephants, pythons, raves, dolphins, and rhinos, and 12,000 types of flowering plants. It is the only country in the world with both lions and tigers. It's also a bird watcher's paradise. On the coast of the Bay of Bengal is the Sundarban, the world's largest mangrove forest. Here, tigers swim in the same rivers as dolphins, sea turtles, sharks, and saltwater crocodiles. This unique landscape is constantly under threat as sea levels rise and humans hunt illegally and clear trees for firewood. The Himalaya mountains provide a home for some of the India's rarest animals and plants. The most elusive animal is the snow leopard. Bears and black buck live lower down, and in the northeast, the tigers and one-horned rhinoceros can be found. India's economy is growing so fast that experts predict it will soon become one of the world's leading markets. Indians are hard workers, and though many are poorly educated, there are many others who are highly trained college graduates. India is one of those destinations that ends up on every traveler's bucket list at some point. They might dream of going to Agra to see the Taj Mahal in all its glory or exploring the royal palaces scattered throughout the Rajasthan. Others find themselves attracted to the jaw-dropping landscapes in Darjeeling and Rishikesh, or the postcard perfect beaches in Goa. New Delhi, Mumbai, and Kolkata are the biggest cities in India. It's impossible to get bored exploring the temples, markets, and colorful streets of India's biggest urban centers. It is difficult to describe the flavor of Indian food because it varies so much from dish to dish and region to region. In general, Indian food has strong flavors and is often spicy, sweet, smoky, and savory. Masala dosa, butter chicken, chicken tikka masala, saag paneer, papri chaat, aloo gobi are some of popular dishes of India. India is a country with great culture, heritage and values. It has something to offer everyone, country with a big welcoming heart.